know and learning through sources that leader of opposition Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi is likely to hold a press briefing on vote chori. And just ahead of the first phase of elections in Bihar, Rahul Gandhi is expected to hold this briefing around noon. So, Nyamika, that multiple times of and different bombs that he seems to be, saying that they would lead to big explosions there. This seems to be a timing that has been chosen by Rahul Gandhi a day ahead of the elections of the first phase. A briefing is expected.
Well, yes, indeed, as this is the latest information coming in from the sources within the Congress party that Rahul Gandhi is expected to hold a press conference today around noon, as this press conference is going to be held in the national capital regarding the issue of vote chori. We have seen that how repeatedly Rahul Gandhi has made a claim of dropping a bombshell regarding this entire matter, the hydrogen bomb claim which he is repeatedly making upon the kind of press conference which he has been doing, as this is going to be the third press conference which Rahul Gandhi is going to address regarding the vote chori issue, as this has come just ahead of the Bihar Assembly elections, as the first phase of voting is going to take place, and for that reason now today it is being expected that Rahul Gandhi is going to once again make allegations against the Election Commission of India. Repeatedly we have seen that how the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi in particular has been making this allegation against the Election Commission.
Hydrogen bomb or another bomb, as he seems to be now expressing when it comes to the vote chori allegations, that he seems to be holding several of those as you can see PPTs as well, but remains to be seen what would be the next other explosion that is now expected on the lines of vote chori, the narrative that has been set by Rahul Gandhi just ahead of the Bihar elections. Thank you very much, Nyamika. We'll be standing by for all the developments and updates. In the meantime, we head into a short break.